Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's episode, we're going to make our Java programs interactive by learning how to accept user input. This means our program can ask us questions such as our name or age and then take action based on that information. Pretty cool, right? Let's jump in and see how it all works. What is user input? User input just means anything the user types into the program while it's running, like answering a question or filling out a form. To get that input, we'll use a powerful tool called the scanner class. It's built-in part of Java that makes listening to user input surprisingly easy. In this table, you can see common scanner code lines and what they do. Let's try an example in IntelliJ and see how it works. Open the project we created together, open the main class. First, I want to remove additional codes here. Okay, we need to import the scanner class, top of our class. This tells Java we want to use the scanner tool to read input from the keyword. Import. Now let's create a scanner object. This set up our program to listen to the keywords, so it's ready to capture whatever the user types. Before reading input, it's always a good idea to display a message to the user so they know what to enter. To read the user age, we need to use the correct data type. Since age is a whole number, we'll use int. Then we create a variable and assign it the value from the scanner. Here, Java offers several methods for reading user input. Since we're expecting an integer, we'll use nextInt. If we were reading a string like a name, we'd use nextLine. This line tells Java pause and wait until the user types a whole number and press enter, and then stores that number in the age variable. When we use nextInt, Java doesn't remove the newline character, the enter key, from the input buffer. So before reading a full line of text with nextLine, we need to call scanner dot nextLine to clear out that leftover newline. This makes sure our next input works correctly. And now we can read another input like the user's name. First, the message to ask the input name. Correct data type for name is string. Variable is name. Assign it the value from scanner. Let's confirm the user's input by showing it back to them. Always remember to close your scanner when you're done. This is important for freeing up system resources. Let's run our program. You can see it asks us to input our age. For example, put 30. Please enter your name and press enter. Here it is. You can see the result. Your age is 30 and your name is Nushin. To make sure you're understood, try creating your example that takes a Boolean input from the user. That's it for today. See you in the next episode. Thanks for watching. You can find all the course materials on my GitHub. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Your support is appreciated. See you in the next episode.